Opinion: the supreme crisis of Chief Justice John Roberts. The Hill. Chief Justice John Roberts is facing a scandal after the New York Times published leaked confidential information from the Supreme Court, which could only have come from one of the 9 members of the court. Below are your comments. The article states, a truly enforceable code would presumably allow the lower court judges appointed by the Chief Justice to compel the removal of a justice from a given case. 00. That could flip the outcome on a closely divided court. Politics will come into play again. 00. They do not need this. W.H. Seymour. Scotus and Roberts actually exceeded their constitutional mandate by granting the powers of a monarch to the office of president. They didn't interpret the Constitution so much as effectively add to it powers that never existed. This is the very essence of legislating from the bench, and this decision should be vacated, possibly, and ironically, by a current president to whom these powers were granted. The Supreme Court justices are merely extensions of the political operatives that promoted their nominations to the court. Naturally, as in physics, there will be an opposite and equal reaction to the decisions postulated by those that promoted and nominated them to the court. Ergo, the Supreme Court is a political institution within the framework of the U.S. government, no more no less. Any surprise? The recent polls show 47% hold a favorable opinion of the court while 51% have an unfavorable view. Much like current polling for the upcoming election, however, Congress with an 18% approval ratings seems weird. It should be much lower. The author believes a justice simply leaking the facts of a deliberation is now the time to act on ethics. However, I see no equal or greater concern about justices reaping expensive gifts from conservative billionaires while ruling on their patrons' interests before the court. I think all the deliberations of the court should be public. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, please thumbs up.